Welcome to TechLipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change spacing on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. After open the Word, just open up any document. Now from here in this document, if you want to change your spacing, at first select your all the text. You have to just press Ctrl+A from your keyboard, and after that click on Home tab. Now here on the paragraph option, you can find the option which is line and paragraph spacing. So just click here and that's it. Now from here you can change your spacing. Here you can see so many options. You can find 6 options here. 1, 1.15, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3. Suppose if you want to set your line space to 2.0, just select it. And that's it. You can see your spacing has been changed successfully, and that way you can easily customize your spacing on any document. And that is how you can change spacing on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.